Operating Maxi Sky 440 is simple. On the hand control are the up and down functions. Auxiliary up and down buttons are located on the front panel. The caregiver can shut off the electrical power at any time by pressing the red mushroom-shaped emergency button under the lift. The button is reset by a half-turn clockwise in the direction of the arrows. Maxi Sky 440 is equipped with a special safety feature that allows the lift to be lowered in the event that the electrical system does not operate. Located on the right side of the lift, the emergency lowering device is activated by the insertion of the special key delivered with Maxi Sky 440. The charger indicator light turns yellow while the battery is charging. When batteries are fully charged, the charging indicator light will turn off. The unit is now ready to use. To prolong battery life, park the lift for charging whenever the lift is not in use. The batteries will not overcharge. In order to achieve optimal results from your Maxi Sky 440, please see the operating and product care instructions.